How many numbers between 1 and 500 are divisible by 30? Now, the first number in this range between 1 and 500, which is divisible by 13, is 13 itself. Now, if we divide 500 by 13, so 13 threes are 39. We have here 110. 13 eights are 104. So we have remainder 6. So we can say that the last number in this range is 13 multiplied by 38. That is 494. So starting from 1 till 38, we have total of 38 numbers which are divisible by 30. Now, how to count it? Okay. Now, it is very simple. The last number in the range is multiplied by 38. The first number in this range is multiplied by 1. So 38 minus 1 and then add 1. Okay. Always remember you should add 1 whenever such kind of question is there and whenever you do it by this method. So 38 minus 1 plus 1, answer becomes 38. So that's your answer.